The Text FX Jitter Scale plugin will allow us to scale and jitter the scaling of our font. And when we click on the Text FX Jitter Scale icon, we go into the Properties editor. What we need to do is adjust the progress percentage here up to 100%. And you can keyframe this if you want to animate the jitter on. There's a progress type, absolute and relative. And below that, we have our direction again, set to normal by default. There's the interpolate, like all the other text effects settings. And then down below that, like the others, we have the effect range, the random seed, ignore space, and ignore new line. So since this is the scale, again, we have our horizontal selection under the text order. Once we change it to the horizontal, we have the text direction right to left, and then our anchor, which we can change from left, center, or right. There's an anchor vertical, which we can now change from top, center, base, and bottom. So choose your selection here, and then you can use your access to further manipulate it. And you can see anytime you make a change, how that change affects the font within the scene editor window. There's a minimum number here, so we can scale it down to 0 or whatever number we want. This is the minimum size of it, and then we have a max scale or max size of it. Again, the randomness, if we increase that, you can see how that will affect the speed of the jitter.